What's up, people? We're gonna be doing a review of Nevin eyewear sunglasses. Cause as you know, me being a big-headed individual, it's real finding hats and eyewear, especially sunglasses. At least cool ones to wear outside. I'm always outside doing something, so you gotta protect your eyes. That sun be beating at it. So I bought a couple pair. Do like an honest review because I know when you buying stuff like that online, you have no idea if it's gonna fit or not. So I got a big head. You know I got a big head. So let's see how they fit. This first pair is I really like them. These might be my favorite. They fit. No pinching. Not snug. Perfect size. The color and look are really nice. Very tropical. It's got like a cotton candy pinkish kind of lens. The frame reminds me of like sea glass. That semi-translucent polish. I don't know, but I like it a lot. This next pair is got a similar sea glass look on the bottom, with like a fake wood on top that kind of blends together. I really like that color combination, that wood and the polished glass. These also they fit great. No pinching, not snug, good coverage in the front, and the colorway is very nice. These are like a purple violet color. Lens is the same way. It's holographic looking. Same. No pinching, not snug. Very good coverage in the front. I love these. These here I got them just because of the color. That like venom green, almost holographic. I just really like them colors. These, unfortunately, they're a little snug on the sides. They got good coverage in the front, but they are kind of snug right through here, which may loosen up in time, maybe not. I don't know, but it's not bad enough that I wouldn't wear them. And I really love the colors. So these here, like a silverish color frame, like a silver to dark metallic see through. These are really snug on the temples. They got really good coverage in the front, but these are really tight. I'd still wear them because I don't think, I don't know. Yeah, well, I don't know. Yeah, I probably still wear them. These I was really looking forward to. I didn't understand what those things was on the side, but I think they block the light coming in. Maybe they fold away when you're not using them. They even pop out if you don't want them. But it feels kind of strange, this little eyepiece right here, but it helps to block out, I guess, sunlight coming in from the sides. To me, they're a little bit smaller. They were supposed to be an XL. They're actually kind of loose. I mean, they squeeze a little bit, but to me, they seem smaller here across the like the forehead, like the brow. They look really cool, but I don't know. They seem kind of small. Ezra, come here. Try these on, buddy. Here, try them on. Them too. Can you put them behind your ear? No, too big. Oh, okay. So overall, I would definitely recommend the brand. Just pay attention to the size and details. But most of their XL frames fit really well. There was just a few. I think only really one of them that was felt like uncomfortably small. But overall, very good. Very good colors, very good details. Definitely different.